Okay, so lesson 3 is all about the rate of photosynthesis, and there are 4 main things that affect how quickly, i.e. the rate, photosynthesis can happen. So the first thing is sunlight, and it all depends on how much sunlight the plant receives. So obviously it's using sunlight as its energy source for the photosynthesis reaction to occur. Therefore, if your plant is in, say, a shaded area, then it will be getting less sunlight, and therefore photosynthesis will be occurring at a slower rate. You can also have things like carbon dioxide levels affecting the rate of photosynthesis. Again, this is something that is in the photosynthesis equation. So if you have low levels of carbon dioxide, it means that your rate of photosynthesis will be reduced as well. And you have also got things like water and temperature. So again, we're looking at the photosynthesis equation basically. So you have your 2 reactants, water and carbon dioxide. If they are in low quantities, then your photosynthesis equation, your photosynthesis reaction cannot occur very quickly. Therefore, you have a lower rate of photosynthesis. Equally, sunlight needed to enable that reaction to happen. The 4th thing is temperature. Now, this is an interesting one because the photosynthesis reaction is dependent upon enzymes, so those biological catalysts. And if you heat up an enzyme to too hot a temperature, it will denature. So remember, we cannot kill enzymes, but we can stop them from working, and that's called denaturing. Okay, so if the plant gets too hot, these enzymes will denature and therefore photosynthesis will not occur. Okay, so the thing you need to take from lesson 3 basically are the 4 limiting factors and also the graphs. So you will see on the Word document you have some graphs which show this upward curve that then plateaus. Okay, so this is where photosynthesis is still happening at that plateau. It's just reached a point where it will not go at any faster rate. Okay, and that means that something else is limiting it. So on the upward stroke of the graph, that means that is the limiting factor, whatever it could be. So it could be the carbon dioxide, it could be the water, it could be the availability of sunlight. But on the upward incline of the graph, that is the limiting factor. But then when it plateaus, it means that something else has kicked in, and something else is now limiting the rate of photosynthesis. Okay, so those are the key takeaways, the 4 things that affect the rate of photosynthesis and the shapes of these graphs and what it means at each point on these graphs. All right, I hope that helps. All right, have a good day. Bye.